Hi guys, Bob here with Styrke Industries. Today I'm going to do a little box tour walk around kind of thing. I've been getting lots of messages from guys quite a ways away from Red Deer, so figured I'd throw something together for the guys that might not be able to make a trip out to see me. So get started here, I guess. This is the new 72-inch roller chest that we came out with this year. So it's 72 inches wide by 46 inches tall and 28 inches deep. And basically everything you see in this video will be how each box comes stock. So first off, we'll start at the top here, I guess. Each box comes with 3mm stainless steel work surface, so you got a good solid work surface on the top of each box. I can get them rock guarded for you too if you'd like that. But this is just how they come stock. So yeah, it basically bolts down in 6 places around the edges of the box here. So there's no, if you do decide to purchase the Hutch later on or at the same time, all you gotta do is undo the bolts and bolt her straight down. There's no drilling or tapping required. So I guess we'll just work our way down here. Each box comes with two pretty good quality locks. 2 in the top there, and they're both the same key, so you don't gotta worry about that. One key per box. It just has 2 locks, so you can keep one bank locked while you're working if you want. Yeah, I guess we can check out and see how they work here. I just got another box all ready to go for that. Just flip a light on here. Basically, you see at the back there, we got 2 channels. Basically, any drawer that's wider than 20 inches will have the 2 channels to lock them both. And basically how they work is like that. That will be locked, that will be unlocked. So I'll show you the little piece on the back of the drawer. So on the back of each drawer, basically, the little locking mechanism looks like this. So the lock will basically come in from behind here and slide up and keep her locked. And then this hinges in case you lock before you close your drawers. So yeah. Now, moving back around, get back to this green box. I guess that's about all for the locks. Anyways, moving down, you'll see we went with double wall construction on this model. Basically just so there was no visible welding on the outside. I know before, some of you might have seen the original Styrke model. You could see kind of where we welded it together and stuff. It was a little more industrial looking. Basically on this model we decided to go with the double wall and spot welding just to clean her up a bit. So yeah, as far as the welding goes, all the frame and drawers were all robotically welded this time. Basically wanted to keep the temp same on each weld so steel wouldn't warp anywhere. I don't know, just try to do everything as clean as possible this time. So yeah, moving on further, we'll open a drawer here. See this big top socket drawer. This is a feature I probably haven't put on the internet anywhere yet, but we decided to punch the press the stiffener into each drawer. So basically each drawer has its own stiffener so that it should not flex, no matter how much weight you want to put in her. So you can see that there. Now, what else did I want to talk about here? I guess I'll do a lap while I'm thinking about it. I know some people were asking me for the back view, so that's pretty much it. You can see pretty straight, no weld showing or anything. See the pegboard on the back of the hutch here. Now I guess we'll move over to the feature that I get asked about most often. Everyone asks me how the drawers latch or detent or what have you. Basically how it works is each drawer has a slide on it just like this. So basically each one comes with a soft close feature. So this little pin here, the drawer will slide back. Once it slides back, it has a little groove that catches this pin. This pin maybe that'll focus. This pin is actually twice as big as the original pins were. We wanted to beef it up a little this time so it lasted longer. So basically the drawer will come by, pass it, and it pulls it in. So you'll see 2 gash socks and 2 springs in each drawer. So that little pin that I was telling you about mates up to the exact same size, whoa, come on, focus, of this on the end of each drawer slide. So basically it comes in there, rides up the ramp, and then locks into the back position. So basically it takes about 3 pounds of force per drawer slide to pull the drawer out. So I mean, virtually will never fall open on you. It acts like a really heavy detent, and then you can fill the drawers up basically as much as you want, roll it around the shop, whether you're on uneven ground or graded floor or whatever, what have you. The drawers should hold themselves in, and that comes with 2-year warranty on those too. So in case you were to get a box where one decided to stop working on you, I'd mail you one out, or mail you a new one out right away. So I'll just show you how they work here, I guess, on each drawer if I can do this. Basically, for this much of each drawer pull, there's a little bit of tension. So you can load this drawer up as much as you want and it won't fall open. So basically, it also quiet closes, so you can load her up and slam her as hard as you'd like, and she'll catch it for you. Now each drawer that's got 2 rails is technically rated for 500 pounds. Not that you'd ever be able to get 500 pounds in them, but yeah, they're good heavy rails anyway. Now moving on, we'll talk about the casters. Each caster, there's 6 on each box. So basically this is the swivel one on the one end, locking mechanism back here. It's solid hard rubber. We went more square cut this time too. First models had a bit of a curve and some guys had a little trouble moving them around, so we beefed these ones up a little. Double spring, adjustable tension. Basically, when you pair the drawer slides and the casters together, none of your tools should move around ever. So they'll stay right where you put them, hopefully. But yeah, that should give you a good idea anyway of how the box is put together. So I'll do one more quick lap here and wrap this video up. Oh, I suppose one thing I didn't mention, each box is powder coated, so should be a little more durable for the shop anyway. A little more resistant to scratching. pull handle for this box. You can see this total box with the hutch and everything on top weighs about 1,100 pounds or so, and she rolls around pretty silently, pretty smoothly, so should be better. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys.